today is the second episode of my lessons. Today we're gonna fix the noisy of our videos, like a hum in background and noisy in background, some statics, something like that. How we can fix it automatically and how we can fix it manually. Uh, First, we can fix when in browser. No need to drag in a timeline and fix the video and the audio. We can click on the video and click right and hit analyze and fix and choose analyze and fix problems and hit OK. When you do that, it will be automatically fixed in inspector. You can see inspector here already fixed and everything is okay. So this is the first missed. So second missed, we can do we can drag any video here to our timeline. We can zoom in and we can listen. You can see very noisy, right? We don't have any option. If you click right, we don't have any option to fix the video, but the only option we can choose from here and auto enhance audio. We should push here auto enhance audio. You can see already fixed. We can try again, play again. You can listen. The noisy is nearly down. So this is automatic way. So we can choose the manual way. We can command Z. We can do it. Okay, I will explain one by one. Loudness, this is the level of the audio. Here noisy removal, this is some static, something like that. Hum removal for electronic static, electronic noisy, something like that. Okay, today we finish our lesson. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos for Final Cut, or next I will do in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much. To follow the channel, please subscribe to get all new videos.